Hello everyone, let's learn another array method called find. So what is find? Find returns the first item in the array that matches a condition or undefined if not found. So that's basically what array find method does. So when to use this find? So use it when you want to get a single item by ID, name, or some condition, or you are building a detailed screen, for example, view product by ID. That's a very easiest way I can explain you about it. So basically what find does is, so it actually finds the first item it finds when it iterates through the element array. Alright, let's do this by practical. Let's see it in practical. Alright, I have a array of items. So let's take this array as our dummy array. So I have items, ID, name, in stock, price. This is the same array that I used to explain you filter method previously. So let's use the same one, and let's assume you want to find by ID. Maybe using one of this ID, you want to find that particular element, whether it is there in the array. Let's write it. Const found, okay, and maybe then products, yes, products, then find method. We use the find method. Then what do? We take one element out of the element, and then we use the arrow functions, and we take that item and we get that key value. So what we want is ID. So let's say we want the item whether if it is 2. So then according to this particular condition, so if the item ID is 2, it should return that particular array object. So if it is not, it actually returns undefined. So according to this particular thing, console.log, let's console log and see, it should return the item array, not item array, the item object found. So let me run and show you what will it show us. Alright, you see that. So it's get the item according to the condition, it actually returns that particular item. So that's how array method find works. So let's take another example. So let's write, we want to get the item by name. Const by name products dot find. And how you do it, you get the one of this element and use that element name. We want it by name, so we use what are the names? Yeah, let's take the iPhone 15. iPhone 15. So this is how you write find method and how you actually find items. So let's see what we'll get here. So I think it's ran. So let me clear you if you don't clear that. Let me run the, yes, this is how it works. So it actually returns the array item by filtering the name. Alright, that's what's the results if the item is there. Let's assume like the item what we are looking for is not there in the array. If that's the case, it should return undefined. So let's write something. Let's write a code here. Missing maybe product. Let's use the product array, and then you write find. How you write the find? You get the element array method, and then we will check it the same thing. Let's do the same key name, and we'll check something that is not there, maybe Nokia. All right, let's see what it does. I think it should run. Let me. All right, anyway, we haven't console log it. All right, let's console log it and see. Let me stop this and clear. Let's write the console log. Console.log quickly missing. All right, that's the missing. All right, let's run this and see whether what I told you before is correct or not. Look at that. So it's actually written undefined if the item is not there in the array. If you try to find it by something that is not there. So those are the ways that you can use this find method and use your day-to-day coding work. So I hope you have understand and you learn something out of this. And next time when you want to do something, just recall this lesson and use it in your day-to-day work. I hope you get something out of this and have a good coding. Bye bye.